Today it was a day of greens and wildness. Here's one of our wild students. Tell us your name and your business.
My name is Shannon, and I'm Floral Designs by Shannon.
In what city?
In Marin County, right outside the city.
Marin County. Very good. We did lots of greenery. The focus today was on greens and not flowers. Here is her garland. Here is her hand-tie bouquet. Here is her wreath, which is spectacular. And here is her large all around, is it one-sided? One-sided, wild viney design. Which was your favorite piece of the day?
The wreath.
The wreath. Mine was that.
Yeah.
Again, what's the name of your business?
Floral Designs by Shannon.
Floral Designs by Shannon in Marin County. Here we have our next wild and wilderness woman. Which was your favorite? Here's her garland. Here's her wreath. Beautiful. And what is the name of your business?
Blooming Season,
Located in Indianapolis,
Indiana.
Indiana. She came all the way to San Francisco for a master's class. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Who do we have here? What is your favorite piece of the day? We have her garland that we did in class. We have her wild hand tie. That looks very good on camera. Her wreath, which is rock star dropping gorgeous. And her wild one-sided piece. What's your favorite piece?
My wreath.
Her wreath. Two for the wreath.
Yes, I love the wreath.
Do you have a business yet?
Nope, not yet.
But you're doing weddings, aren't you?
Yes.
Yes, she is. Our new girl on the block, Miss Kelsey. Pick up that bouquet. Turn so the light shows. Drop it right into my camera. Kaboom. Which was your favorite piece of the day?
I'm a bouquet girl.
Yeah, me too. There you go. There it is. There's her beautiful. Pick your wreath up over there. You had a rock star wreath. All right, Kelsey. She's brand new at my school. Had never designed flowers before. I don't know where she came from. Obviously, she's a top designer infiltrating the walls of my school. Who you work for? Tell me. I'll find out sooner or later. Here we have some more spectacular work. Wow, this looks good as a grouping. Which was your favorite one of the day?
The urn.
The big urn filled with flowers. There's her garland running across the table. There's another hand-tie bouquet. Garland, wreath, large, all in one day at our school. What is your name?
Montse Otarno, that's the name of my business that I'm launching in Walnut Creek.
From where?
Walnut Creek in the Bay Area.
Walnut Creek? Oh, okay. I've been there once. Her large piece, her garland, I love how you did this. You put a little focal point on your wreath. Favorite one of the day?
Hard to tell between this piece and the Christmas card. I love it.
Yeah, you did a great job on that wreath. I love your little focal point there that you did with those hydrangeas. Good job. Here we have Carson, the young man on the scene.
Yes.
Tell us the name of your business again.
Moments 101
Moments 101 in
Gilbert, Arizona.
Gilbert, Arizona. He's come all the way to San Francisco to attend the school. He lived in Paris for 2 years, Rome, Milan, and I think Siberia. Is that correct? Where did you live?
Of course, everywhere.
Everywhere. He's a very global guy for 20 years old. Which is your favorite piece of the day? Here's
It's
his
a tie
garland.
between the wreath and the urn.
Yeah, your urn was really good.
I really
And your
like
wreath
the
was really good.
spaciness that it fills up.
And what's your future plans in the flower business?
To work specifically with funerals.
He likes to do
homes.
funeral work. He wants to do funeral work. There would be his funeral wreath. And that would be a funeral urn piece. What else? What's your favorite flower? Do you have one?
I love a dark purple calla lily.
Dark purple calla lilies. Very good. Flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.
Yep.